We're giving away free HVAC maintenance with every new water heater purchase and installation. When it comes to your home, don't wait until you're up a creek without a paddle. When water heater leaks go unchecked, it can put the structural soundness of its surrounding area in jeopardy and create a hazardous environment. From rotting wood to weakened walls and compromised electrical wiring. All resulting from residual water that's been standing too long. This is one problem you don't want lingering in your household for longer than necessary. Chaffee Air is here to help. Your water heater delivers dependable, convenience and comfort to your family. By providing a reliable source of hot water for a multitude of life necessities, including personal and household uses. That's why Chaffee Air offers high-quality, new water heater models and professional water heater installation in the greater Knoxville area. Call us today at 865-247-8888. And to celebrate the new year, if you buy a water heater replacement from us before January 30th, you'll get a free year of HVAC maintenance.